there was no place inside. Happy Father's Day. The light. It's amazing and thank me later. We are going to Rameshwaram Cafe and vada and badam milk. No? Hi everyone, good morning. It's Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I woke up at 6. আর তারপর এখন আমরা খেতে বসবো. মম মেড ব্রেকফাস্ট. আমি পুজো দিয়ে দিয়েছি. আমার চানো হয়ে গেছে. We are going out today. আমরা যাচ্ছি Prestige Golfshire. Because mom and dad have never been. So yeah, I hope it's a very exciting day and I hope you enjoy. Please keep watching. Manjot just got back from the gym. আর এখন আমরা ব্রেকফাস্ট খাবো টিভি দেখতে দেখতে. তো আমরা বেরোচ্ছি এখন. It's 11:15. Let's go. Because it was Father's Day today, we wanted to go to a very special place. So we chose Prestige Golfshire. Even though it was quite a drive, the property is so beautiful. It has this big golf course and it has one of the prettiest JW Marriotts I've ever seen. My parents were also going to join us, and all of us were going to go for Father's Day lunch. So now we are still half an hour away, but we are very close to the airport. So I don't think এখন বেশিক্ষণ লাগবে because traffic থাকবে না. It's what's the time? It's 12 something and we this one only. So we have our booking at the reservation at 1:30. So that's okay. My mom and dad are also on the way. I'm sure they're close by. Are you hungry? Yeah? Mamana, are you hungry?
Yeah, very.
Oh, very.
I haven't had anything in the morning.
Oh, that's crazy. We're almost not there, but still. Even though it was a Sunday, traffic was crazy and it took us almost 2 hours to get to Golfshire. Again, when we went to the Airbnb, I think you guys saw this. This tank is damn cool. Almost চলে এসেছি, just 2 minutes away. খিদে পেয়ে গেছে সবার. আমার যেটা সব থেকে ভাল লাগে staying in Bangalore is that there are so many beautiful places like this just an hour away. If you've been here, let me know how you like Golfshire, and also if you know more places like this for like a one-day trip, definitely let me know in the comment section below and I will go visit. This must have been my 6th or 7th time here, but every single time I visit it feels like my first. It's just so beautiful. The restaurants here are lovely, especially the one inside JW Marriott. It's called Alishan, and after a long week, a little outing like this always feels worth it. Amader biyer por, this was our first Father's Day celebration, so getting to celebrate Father's Day with both the dads together made it extra special. So ajke lunch er jonne we were heading to Falcon Greens restaurant for their buffet, and I think the spread is amazing. If you're planning for a little celebration or just looking for a nice family lunch, I definitely recommend this place. It has a very relaxed and chill vibe and the food is genuinely really good. By the time all of us reached, we were all starving. তো আমরা তাড়াতাড়ি মঞ্জুতের মা বাবাকে এন্ট্রেন্সে ড্রপ করে we parked our car and almost ran to the restaurant. We were so hungry. Khide was at its peak. Even though we had reserved a place, we didn't get to sit inside in the beginning because it was completely packed. Say one of the downsides of this place is there are many flies, so when you visit, please keep that in mind. Sometime we finally got a table inside and we were so hungry that we went straight to the chaat section. I'm just going to start off by saying the chaat was amazing. I think it was the best part of the meal. I got a mix of the papri chaat and the palak pata chaat and it was absolute perfection. Okay, so আমি অনেক কিছু নিয়েছি. This is fish, chicken, fish, prawn. Happy Father's Day. Second round, salads, some stuff more healthy. But then that's a banana milkshake, so not very healthy. Manjot is also healthy. We took sushi and pita bread and salad. There was so much food that we literally had to pause halfway through eating before we could even think about going for another round. Food wise, I think the sushi was actually really good. Their pita bread and hummus were amazing, and so was their prawn dim sums. Okay, so biryani, Chinese fried rice, Chinese fish, paneer makhani and dal. Okay, now the best thing is, so we had so many things, but this is the best. Nothing can beat this. Love. Their dessert section was also really nice. They had a lot of options. We also had this thing called avocado shondesh, but I think Manjot's favorite was the chocolate tart, which was really yummy. No lagja, light. By the time we finished eating, we could barely move. We literally felt like we were going to burst. We then headed outside to soak in the beauty of this place. কি সুন্দর লাগছে দেখো, ওই পেছনে ওটা নান্দি হিলস আর আমরা ওখানে খাচ্ছিলাম। বাইরে প্রথমে বসেছিলাম কিন্তু it was very hot, so we got a place inside. এখানে সবাই গলফ খেলছে, it's very nice. ওরা দুজনে কিরকম এক রকম করে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। আমরা এখন বেরোচ্ছি কোন JW now. After spending some time chit-chatting and taking lots and lots of pictures, we then headed to JW Marriott, which is a part of the same property, for evening tea, and we also wanted to take a tour and explore the beautiful resort.
অনেক খেয়েছি, so I'm very full. এখন JW তে গেলে কোন টাইম স্পেন্ড করে বাড়ি।
ওকে, তো এখন আমরা JW Marriott যাচ্ছি আর মা বাবা and Manjot's মা বাবা have gone together, so I'm so excited. I love this place. It's so motivating and the houses here are very pretty. Like the bungalows here, people who stay here, they must love it, no? Except that they're not close to the city. Just look at the bungalows. They're so pretty. Wow. I'm sure they have a swimming pool पीछे, है ना? It's so pretty. No. I know people.
Like some flats might be open.
The moment we reached JW Marriott, I was like, every single time I come here, I leave feeling so motivated. I don't know if it's the fresh air or the views or just the overall vibe of this place, but there's something about it that always inspires me. Anyway, first thing first, we went downstairs to catch a buggy because we had to give Manjot's parents a proper tour of the property. যখন আমরা নিচে গেছিলাম তখন আমরা দেখলাম একটা পেইন্টিং ক্লাস চলছিল. Everyone was really interested. This is the good part about JW Marriott. They do a lot for their guests. This place is also pet friendly, so there were some fur babies running around here and there, which was very cute. আমরা এখন বাগিতে বসে প্রপার্টি ট্যুর নিচ্ছি, সবাই বসে পড়েছে। যেটা সবচেয়ে ভালো ছিল is that this buggy had place for 6 people আর আমরা সবাই একসাথে একটা বাগিতে ফিট করে গেছিলাম। এবার চলো, let's enjoy the property views together. I'll stop talking for a bit and I'll let you guys see the beautiful visuals of this property. The buggy ride was around 15 to 20 minutes and the driver kept telling us little facts about the property along the way. After that, we headed back upstairs. We were still debating whether we even had room for tea because we were all so full from lunch. Biyer age, I had come here with Manjot for a meal, and so we were talking about how much things have changed since then. How are you feeling with all parents, everything? Yeah? Yeah, it's getting cloudy. So we dined there. If anyone comes to Alishan for a meal, if you're non-vegetarian, have the nali nehari and the chili paratha. It's amazing, and thank me later. And also in the end, we decided to skip tea because we were still so full. Chalo, এখন আমরা বেরোচ্ছি, and we've eaten a lot. We're very tired. See you on Friday, Mama and Baba.
টাটা বাবা। মা বাবার গাড়ি এখানে, চলো ইটস 5:12, এখন আমরা বাড়িতে যাচ্ছি। Mom and Dad, how was your experience?
Very good. Nice place, nice ambience, nice food.
How do you like the property?
Property is excellent. Beautiful property.
Yeah.
We like that.
So much, eat so much.
What was your favorite food?
Everything was nice.
Yeah. Oh, mom, to no point of asking. She will say chaat only. Mom, everyone went there. Everyone was taking dumpling, this and that. Mom had her priorities straight. She went to the chaat section. She stood there only and she ate. How is it for you? What was your favorite food?
What was my favorite food?
Yeah, your favorite dish.
Dim sum.
Dim sum prawn.
Yeah.
My favorite.
What is this?
It's like the other kind of speed breakers. I don't.
These are voice breakers.
My favorite was, I don't know what it was. There was that coated thing. I don't know what it was, but it was really good. I think you guys have seen it in the vlogs.
We finally reached home. It took us more than 2 hours. There was so much of traffic, and that too on a Sunday.
এক্ষুনি ঘরে ঢুকলাম, it took us more than 2 hours. Literally এখন 7:15 বাজে. All of us are very tired, but at least we're home.
Once we got back home, we changed and went straight to bed because all of us were really exhausted. Overall, it was a lovely Father's Day out. Getting to spend it with both the families together made it even more special. Hopefully, many more celebrations like this to come. The next morning started off like any other morning. We went for our morning walk. We also took Mom and Dad to Rameshwaram Cafe, and it was their first time. They had heard so much about that place and the food there that I was really excited to take them. We've named this cute little tree. We call it Poco Poco, like because it's small. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. My bed is not done today. Unlike every day, we are going to Rameshwaram Cafe for breakfast. The trip is coming really soon, so I'm really excited. We are just going to go for a quick breakfast, come back. It's a weekday, so there's a lot of work today and tomorrow. I have a lot of editing to do today. Tomorrow the whole day is going to go packing and with self-care, so lots and lots to do, but I'm going to take you guys along, so I hope you enjoy and please keep watching. Personally, I love Rameshwaram Cafe. I think it's so clean and that's what makes it even better for me. But the food is also really good. I'm really interested to know what is your favorite South Indian local joint. Let me know in the comment section below.
রামেশ্বরম চলে এসেছি, ভ্যালেতে পার্ক করবে। ভ্যালে I don't know what I'm saying. I'm hungry. ভ্যালেতে পার্ক করবে। Are you excited?
I'm hungry now. Let's grab a table, no?
This was my first time at the Brookfield Rameshwaram Cafe, and it was comparatively empty, but I also think that's because it was a weekday. We actually got really excited when we got there, so we ended up ordering a lot of food. But if you've been watching my vlogs, you'll know by now that we usually end up ordering a lot of food. We ordered the varas, the ghee paddus, dosas for all of us, masala dosas. Mom and Dad also wanted to have the dahi vara. We also ordered juices. Yes, it was a full-fledged meal, and it was really yummy and absolutely worth it.
Paddu, dahi vada and badam milk or watermelon juice. Chalo. Do you like it?
Yeah? You have to go very fast.
So good. No? চলো হয়ে গেছে We are really full. Mom's not that full, no? No, you're not full. One more round.
যেটা সবচেয়ে মজার কথা is that আমি আর আমার মা বাবা we've always been foodies. We love trying new places, ordering in, and for us food is basically a love language. But Manjot's family wasn't really like that. After marriage, I think I've successfully converted Manjot and his parents too.
You remember while coming back from Dehradun, you saw the huge chola bhatura thing? Yeah. And today I saw the same expression on your face. Mom is just regretting not having the filter coffee instead of the watermelon juice. But that's okay. Filter coffee you can get anywhere in Bangalore. It's very good. We'll have light lunch, no? Dad?
That also what the kofta. Then what?
I told Manjot that for lunch there is ghee. He's like, I'm not eating it.
After that, we got back home and I did some editing. For lunch, we had simple ghiya kofta with roti. Manjot was tearing my rotis because I am a spoiled princess and I had just painted my nails. We were all actually really busy that day because all of us were packing and preparing for the trip that we were going to go for the next day. And cucumber.
These are 2 rotis for now.
Okay, thank you, babe. After lunch, while Manjot was busy with his meetings, his parents and I started binge watching YouTube videos of the place we were going to. We were looking up different restaurants, cafes, and all the must-visit places, which made us even more excited for the trip. বিকেল বেলায় মঞ্জোতের কাজ হয়ে যাওয়ার পরে আমি পুজো দেওয়ার পরে আমরা সবাই নিচে গেছিলাম আমাদের সোসাইটির ক্যাফেতে. We had pani puri, packed a few sweets for the next day, and just enjoyed a really slow, relaxed evening together and walked around the society for a while. After a little walk, we got back home, finished packing, and went straight to bed because we had an early start to the next morning. I can't wait to take you guys along on our little trip in the next few vlogs. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with us. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys very soon in the next one.